When fear strikes in your life, perhaps it's a chest pain or worrisome behavior by your children, maybe it's the plumbing or HVAC of your home, or even a sound from your family car. Whatever caused the fear, you turn to experts. In times like these, you explain the problem to the expert. They ask questions, then they investigate, and only after the expert has reviewed it all do they sit down with you to walk through a plan. This process is familiar to you in how you manage your health. When an issue arises, you consult the doctor, then tests are done, and then you reconvene with them to understand the diagnosis and plan the recovery. This is the proven human process. This process is everywhere. It can be found in medicine, home repairs, at the mechanic, and with numerous other professionals we call upon, such as the attorneys at Atticus Family Law. Our clients come to us when it's time for divorce. They have certain outcomes they need from their divorce. They want to pursue their goals with confidence and peace of mind, and to avoid stress, anxiety, and fatigue along the way. They know a streamlined approach will give them a higher likelihood of success. That is the proven process. At Atticus Family Law, our clients benefit from this streamlined and satisfying method. Here is what working with AFL will look like for you. Within 4 days of hiring us, your case launches with the first of 2 strategy sessions. This is not just a meet and greet with your attorney. It is where your legal team, your attorney and paralegal, works with you to build a real plan for your success. Understandably, this is when you start to get excited. Know that AFL does not start you with a large questionnaire to complete all by yourself before meeting with an attorney. We know you are anxious to get started, and more than anything, you want clarity, something that no questionnaire can provide. So we get moving right away with this meeting right after you hire us. In this first strategy session, we really talk, about your relationship, your kids, your home, your work, your finances, and your priorities. It is part conversation, part investigation, and for you, wholly satisfying. From this, we identify exactly what information we will need from you, and just as importantly, what you will not need to worry about. Before the session is done, there is clarity as to what the firm is doing next and what your tasks are. But more than that, in the span of 2 hours, something deeper has happened. Your attorney is now fully read in on your circumstances and all of the stresses. They understand the history that brought you here, and they have connected with you, not just through facts, but through empathy and shared purpose. Your legal team has formed, aligned around your goals, and you have confidence in seeing how determined your team is to get you there. You will leave that first strategy session with a plan of attack, and for the first time in a while, with a clear sense of the bright future ahead. What follows is a period of investigation, research, and analysis. It is the divorce world's version of the necessary lab tests, X-rays, and biopsies done in medicine. Here we start the reassuring process of gathering the comprehensive documents and information from your spouse. While you will complete some tailored homework, you are comforted that we are handling any legal filings that we planned at the strategy session. For divorce clients, we have found that their idealized divorce decree is only part of what allows to transition fully from married life to a thriving, happy post-divorce life. In addition to great lawyering, clients need mindset management and pivotal resources and introductions. You will find your confidence rising as you get briefed on the law, get professional referrals, and find yourself looking forward to meeting with the divorce coach. In all of our work for you, anxiety is eased as you get updates on your case status. Questions are answered promptly. You set the goals, and your role as decision maker is respected. That's the AFL service guarantee. Next is the second strategy session. It is all about prioritizing your goals, planning the end game, and how you will make decisions. By this point, we have gathered information from you, your spouse, and if needed, third parties. Your attorney has read it, analyzed it, and weighed it against the law. And now, You get our full analysis on where you stand. Together, we bring clarity to each issue: custody, parenting time, support, spousal maintenance, and property division. We recap your legal briefings with factual assessments. We share our opinions on likely success of each issue and provide clear recommendations, not generalities and not guesswork, just calming honesty. With sound footing of where you stand on the issues, this is where your success strategy starts to take shape. Whether it's direct negotiation, mediation, or some other form of resolution, you and your attorney choose the path that's right for you and your family's need. We are not here to drag things out. We are here to get it done, sensibly, strategically, and thoroughly. In the final stage, we follow through with the execution. First, we draft a full agreement outlining your proposed resolution of each divorce issue. Not just because it will be needed, but because the details matter when 97% of divorces settle without trial. Every paragraph is a chance to give you added advantages and benefits for your next best life. And the fewer surprises you encounter later, the smoother your path will be. You will have your worries eased by being coached and prepared for every step necessary, be it mediation, negotiations, and if necessary, trial. And throughout each tactic, we rely on our 100-point checklist, built from decades of experience, to ensure nothing gets missed. No shortcuts, no guesswork. The totality of these 3 stages of the proven process has helped dozens of people like you be successful in their divorce transitions to recognize confidence, happiness, contentment, and peace in their next best lives. If you already have a consultation scheduled with us, great. Now you know what to expect, what we will expect from you, and how the proven process will make a symphony from your chaos. If you're still deciding, think about the doctors, mechanics, and professionals you trust. You trust them because they follow the proven process, not because they wing it. At Atticus Family Law, your future deserves that same kind of care, planning, and confidence. That is the AFL proven process.